talking about counting 100 flies today. I'm only going to give you one way to do it. You can do that. Go ahead. But here's how I've drawn my fly. First of all, I've made an oval, and then I've put wings on the side, and I've given it two little eyes. It doesn't have to be any fancier than that. If you want to put six legs on it, you can, but it doesn't have to be that way. And remember, in our class, we can always represent the things we're counting by dots, circles, or even just X's. So if you don't want to go to the trouble of making the flies, I don't mind. You can represent them using one of those things. All right, so I've started my how I'm going to do it. And I'm basically going to build a hundreds chart, but I've just started with one row. Okay, remember a row goes across, a column goes up and down. I've started with one row of 10. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't want them any more than 10 across. Number one, it's going to take me a long time to do it. Number two, I can keep track of it if I do that because I know that 10 sets of 10 equals 100. So I'm actually going to use a different color for my next row. So this is my row, this is row 1 going across here. Now I'm going to do row 2. And I'm going to draw I'm actually going to draw the shape of the fly. I don't have to do a perfect job because this part here is not about drawing. This part is about quantities to 100 and all the different ways that we can make quantities to 100. All right? And remember, one of our jobs as kindergartners is we have to be able to count from 1 to 100 without missing any of those numbers in between. All right, so let's see if I've got enough here. If I have 2 rows of 10, I should have how many? I think I heard you. I did. 20, you're right. Let's see. 2 rows of 10 equal 20. All right, so let's count the second row that I put on here. You ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But all together, with this row and this row, let's count by 20s. I have 10, 20. But I have to go all the way to 100. All right? That's only one way you can do it. If you want to find 100 little stones or 100 of something and lay them out, you can put them in 10 frames. You can make your own 100 chart like I'm doing. It's up to you, but I need to see how you have counted flies. If you want to use something else to represent flies, that's okay. Remember, if we're writing, we can do an X or a circle or a filled in circle or really anything you want. As long as you know you're counting flies and all you're trying to do is come up with the whole number together. All right, I can't wait to see your videos.